How to use Expedia Rewards. Hi everybody. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how can you use Expedia Reward. Now, Expedia Reward has transitioned to a unified program called One Key, which allows you to earn and use reward. So first thing first, you must sign into your Expedia account. Once you are logged into your account, you can just see and use your reward as well. So here, if you go to the account section, you should be able to find a reward can only be applied to pay now booking. If you select pay later at hotel, the options to reward will not appear as well. So basically, on the payment page, look for the use my points or apply one key cash section as well, and you can choose to use the entire balance for a specific amount to reduce your total as well. And that is how you're supposed to use the reward. So if you go to a home page, you will be able to see use the reward, something like that, and that's how you're supposed to use your reward or use Expedia's reward. With that being said, we've completed the steps. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.